What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we are going to be working on the transmission for the 1972 Buick LeSabre, guys. So it's been a little hold up on this vehicle. We finally got enough parts to get back going on it. Let me show y'all what we got going on real quick. So it's super hot out here, so I got the transmission set up on a table. It's 4L60E, the new shaft to make it two-wheel drive versus four, because this transmission used to be a four-wheel drive transmission. So this is going to convert it over. I'll open that here in a second. I already got all the oil drained out of it, so we're going to get ready to pop this thing open. These are 1/2-inch bolts and see what we got. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notification bell so you know every time I drop a new video. We'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright, let's pop this box open, guys. So this would be the first time I do something like this. I can install transmissions and stuff, but this is the tail shaft to make it two-wheel drive. I got this off of eBay, I think. No, yeah, eBay. And then this is the different shaft. So it's looking like, see, this piece will go on there, guys. But if you put that on there, see how short that one is? Like the shaft is too short. That's why you gotta switch it out. Here, hold that for me real quick. Get it open. Could have been a knife. Let me grab a razor blade real quick. Alright, got a razor blade, guys. Hopefully this won't be too difficult to do. If it is, once I get in there, I'm gonna just take it to the shop. But y'all know, if y'all watch my channel, I try to do everything myself before I have to spend any extra money. So, yep. And I forgot to put my gloves on. Anyways, see, y'all look at that. You see the difference? This shaft is longer. And this shaft is for the four-wheel drive. It had a big four-wheel drive attachment on here. So that's why you can't just put this piece on there and swap it out.
Copyright.
Alright, guys, we got it open. Yep, it looks like it's gonna work. So, rebuilt, new gasket, new sensor, new seal, and then just hopefully I can fix this thing. I gotta go get my gloves. We'll pop some of these out because I do not want to be smelling like transmission oil. You can scoot back a little bit. You don't have to be that close. Yep, I'm gonna have to get my gloves on. got oil all over it. My son's recording, guys. And one more. That one's gonna be hard to get to because of this bracket. Let's see. I gotta get some gloves. If anybody knows, transmission oil stinks. Got it. Alright guys, let me grab my gloves and we'll get ready to pull that pan. I'll see what we got on the inside. Alright guys, got my gloves, so we're gonna get ready to pop this cover off, the pan off. I got some rags too. It's gonna try to make a mess for sure. I think that's bent a little bit. That's bent too. Come out. I'm gonna have to take that dang. I gotta get that bracket off over there. Give me a second, guys. I gotta take this. I gotta take the cable bracket off, guys. Give me 1 minute. Yes, sir. This one's full of dirt. It's full of dirt. I need a little. What's that razor blade? Dang. Will it scoot out enough? Yeah, that might work. There we go. Oh yeah, this is gonna be difficult, guys. Scoot back a little bit so I can see the whole picture. Yeah. Man. I'm gonna have to take all this apart to get this shaft out. Golly.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah. I'm gonna just take it to the shop, man. I don't think I wanna do this. If we do, look at all this, I mean, this little stuff, you gotta remember where all this stuff went.
Nope.
Shoot.
Hey.
Sheesh. Alright guys, let me look up some stuff. Let me see how bad this is gonna be. If it's gonna be terrible, we'll just send it to the shop. See y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, we're gonna hold off on that transmission. You have to take apart pretty much the whole inside. And I'm not fixing to do that. It's cheaper. I mean, you can get one of them transmissions for like 400 bucks. But I did text this guy to see if he could go ahead and put the input shaft in for me for like 200. So we'll see how it goes, guys. And then I'll keep y'all in tune. Make sure y'all turn on that post notification bell, that way y'all don't miss the video when I finally get the right transmission or get that one ready to go and we get ready to put it in the 72. Alright, so we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.